So we started place behavior with little Bentley here.
Bentley, place.
So what we're doing is we have a little treat in our hand. We're luring her up. What does that mean? That means luring her means to kind of put the food in her front of her face and have her follow your hand up to the place, and then we're going to give her a treat. We're also asking her for the down position when she gets up here. So the first session was just getting her up on the bed. Throughout that session, then we did a lay down. This session, Shannon's starting to add distractions. We're following the same three. He's so tall. Same 3 parts of communication. What do you want her to do? But we're still luring her up a little bit. Putting her in the down position. When is she doing it right?
Yes.
We're reinforcing her, and she should stay there. So what Shannon's doing is adding real life distractions. What happens if somebody comes to your door? We would love Bentley to go up to her place and lay down and stay there until you've given her the release word. If she stands, I know it's like blinding. We open it up, it's like, wow. If she breaks behavior, it's a quick no. Get right back up to her. Get her back in the down position and repeat what your goal is. Sorry, I'm going to cover up that little puppy there. Good. Now, did you see how Shannon changed what she did? She opened the door twice and she broke behavior. So Shannon changed what she was doing. She got a little closer to her with the treat, bent over so that she could be more on Bentley's eye level. So if you are getting mistakes 3, 4, 5 times in a row, then you're probably asking for too much. You're going too fast. Do not rush through this basic stuff of just having her understand what the word place means and what body position she should be on when she's up on the place. If you rush through this too much, you are going to lose it when you start to add distractions. So we said no, put her back in the down position, try it again. She did it, so she immediately said yes, gave her a treat. There we go. Now, I'm not saying don't add distractions quickly when you're in a session. You constantly want to be testing her and her skills, but if you try to do the same thing 3 times in a row and she messes up 3 times in a row, then go back a little bit. Ask for a little less because she's not ready for it. Although mistakes are important, there shouldn't be more mistakes than successes at this point. You're just learning. Yep. So if you notice, Shannon's going to say place, but she's not going to be right down in her face this time. As she gets better, she's just kind of going through the motions. We are walking towards the place, though. Don't just stand there and look at her and start saying place, 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 place. Show her where that is. Just like we're showing her the down signal. There you go. We opened the door. She stayed down. Shannon said yes. Open the door. Is she still doing it? Yes, followed by a treat. One more. She's going to add a distraction. Is she staying in that position? Then yes and treat. Lots of praise on the place. Lots of praise. And then how does she know she's all done?
She's got up a little bit. She's going to get back down.
Okay, so that's your homework, guys, to find either. Now, you can use an elevated bed, or if you have a soft dog bed, you can use that as well. You just want to make sure it's big enough for her to lay down comfortably on. Good job, bud.